luxury vinyl tile is gaining popularity as a top commercial flooring option. It produces the look of wood or stone without extensive maintenance. However, maintaining LVT does present its own challenges. NCL's luxury vinyl tile cleaning and protection program meets those challenges while preserving and protecting your LVT flooring investment. Surface Prep LVT Linoleum Deep Scrub Cleaner is designed to remove embedded soils and scuffs in the upper layers of alternative flooring surfaces such as luxury vinyl tile, linoleum, and rubber. These unique surfaces require specialized cleaners with a mild pH formulation to work effectively while not damaging the surfaces. Surface Prep is ideal for preparing these surfaces for an initial or replacement coating application.